Is your LCD speaker bar broken or not performing as it should? Understanding how to fix an LCD speaker bar can save you the frustration of distorted sound and the hassle of replacing the entire setup. The speaker bar is a crucial component of your entertainment system, providing the audio experience that complements the visuals on your screen. Unfortunately, like any electronic device, it can occasionally run into issues, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll take you through detailed steps on how to fix an LCD speaker bar, ensuring that your audio is clear and crisp again. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. Before diving into any fixes, it's important to diagnose the specific issue with your LCD speaker bar. Is it failing to power on? Are there sound distortions or no sound at all? Different symptoms require different solutions. Start by checking all the connections. Ensure that the speaker bar is plugged into a working power outlet and that all cables are securely connected. If you're using any wireless features, double check the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi settings to confirm they are properly configured. Also, look out for any visible damage or wear and tear on cables that might be causing disruption. Step 2. Reset the speaker bar. Sometimes simply resetting your speaker bar can resolve any software glitches or minor issues. To do this, locate the reset button on your device, which is usually a small pinhole. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. If your speaker bar doesn't have a physical reset button, you might be able to reset it through the settings menu as outlined in the user manual. After resetting, power the device back on and test to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Check for firmware updates. Firmware updates can fix bugs and improve the functionality of your LCD speaker bar. Visit the manufacturer's official website to see if there are any available updates for your model. Download the update and follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to install it. This may involve using a USB drive or connecting your speaker bar to a computer. Once the update is complete, restart your speaker bar and check for improvements in performance. Step 4. Test with different devices. If your speaker bar is still not working properly, it's a good idea to test it with a different device. Connect it to another TV, computer, or audio source to determine whether the issue lies with the speaker bar or the initial device it was connected. If the speaker works well with another device, the problem may be with your original device's output settings. Adjust the audio settings on the original device by referencing its user manual, ensuring compatibility with your speaker bar. Step 5. Inspect and replace faulty components. After troubleshooting connections, resets, and software, it may be time to inspect for any damaged hardware within the speaker bar. This may require opening the device, but proceed with caution as this could void the warranty. Check for loose wires, damaged speakers, or any other signs of internal damage. If you identify a specific faulty component, contact the manufacturer for replacement parts or consult a professional repair service to fix the issue safely. Fixing an LCD speaker bar might seem daunting at first, but with a systematic approach, your audio can be back to its full potential. Whether you've addressed loose connections, reset the device, installed firmware updates, or tested different devices, each step is crucial in ensuring the best audio experience. Remember, while some fixes can be done at home, it's always advisable to turn to professional repair services if internal components need replacement. In doing so, you'll extend the lifespan of your speaker bar and continue to enjoy high-quality sound for years to come. Enjoy revitalized sound from your LCD speaker bar and get back to enjoying your favorite shows, music, and movies with the clarity they deserve.